How do we know that purpose of sun is to give light? Maybe the purpose of sun is to give darkness and it is going against its purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? It's a very simple question but very complex. People have been thinking about it for thousands of years. I am pretty sure the day we invented language, the day we started the ability to ask, we asked what is life and what is the purpose of this life. And every single human being, I'm pretty sure every single human being, at least once in their lifetime, they think about what is the purpose of life. So this is a very important question. And since it has been there in human brain for thousands of years, there has been hundreds of philosophies about the purpose of life. One of the most famous philosophy is of Gautam Buddha. When someone asked Gautam Buddha what is the purpose of life, he replied, purpose of life is to find the purpose of life. Now, when I heard this first time, when I was a teenager, I was very much intrigued by this idea. And I felt, wow, I understood what is the purpose of life. Purpose of life is to find the purpose of life. But with the days to come, with the time when I grew up, I realized this sentence is somewhat paradoxical. There is a paradox in its meaning. Purpose of life is to find the purpose of life. What is it? It's like a paradox. You're asking the same question and revolving in a circle with the answer. That's paradox. So I started to find my own purpose of life and the meaning of life. I wanted to know what is the purpose of life. So as other people used to say or think, I also think in a way that there is some predefined purpose of life which we have to discover rather than invent. So I was thinking that this has to be a discovery rather than invention. We do not invent the purpose of life. It is already there. We have to just find it. So that was my idea earlier. But later on, I realized something which is very, very, very different. And this might come to you. It may take time to you to understand what I'm trying to say. So I will start with an example. Then I will tell you what purpose of life actually is. So the example is, see, every human being you might have met, they will tell you that the sun gives you light and it is the purpose of sun to give light, so it is giving light. Many will say the purpose of tree is to give oxygen and that it is fulfilling its purpose of giving oxygen. But the question is, how do we know that the purpose of tree is to give oxygen? Maybe the purpose of tree is to give carbon dioxide and it is not fulfilling its purpose, rather it is going against it. How do we know that purpose of sun is to give light? Maybe the purpose of sun is to give darkness and it is going against its purpose of life. So this is a very interesting idea, that how do we know about it? And the answer is, we can never know what is the purpose of a tree or a sun or any planet or any animal. We can never know what is the purpose of any of them. So we need to understand that our purpose of life as well is not predefined. There is no way to find out what is the exact purpose of life because there isn't any. There is no purpose of life. Purpose of life is a choosing. We do not have a predefined purpose of life. Rather, we have to choose that what our purpose of life has to be. For instance, many people choose their purpose of life to help others. Some people choose their life to feed hunger, purpose of life to feed hunger. There are many people whose purpose of life is to help women empower. There are people whose purpose of life is to become successful and earn a lot of money. And there are people whose purpose of life is to kill people like terrorists. So you need to understand that purpose of life is nothing but it's a choice. You choose, you find, you create the purpose of life. It's not predefined. God has not given us any purpose of life because we have to choose our own purpose of life, and that is the real meaning of purpose of life. I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, you can comment down and I will reply and answer your questions. Namaskaram.